In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Chrome shortcuts quickly and easily. This is a simple fix if your new tab page is cluttered with websites you no longer want to see, like YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, or other frequently visited pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clear those shortcuts from Chrome in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, we need to get to the new tab page because that's where the shortcut tiles appear under the search bar. To do that, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. This will instantly open a new tab and you should now see the Chrome new tab screen. Now take a look beneath the search bar. You'll see a row of website shortcuts or frequently visited sites. These are the shortcut icons that Chrome displays for quick access. If you want to remove one of them, move your mouse over the shortcut you want to get rid of. As you hover over it, you should notice a three-dot menu appear on the shortcut tile. Click those three dots to open the shortcut options. A small menu will pop up with different actions you can take. From that menu, simply click Remove. Once you do that, the shortcut will disappear right away from the new tab page. If you have more shortcuts you want to clean up, just repeat the same process for each one. Hover over the shortcut, click the three dots, and then choose Remove. It's that easy. This is a great way to keep your Chrome start page clean, organized, and focused only on the websites you actually use. Just remember, this method removes shortcuts shown on the new tab page. So if you still see a website in your bookmarks bar or browsing history, those are separate and would need to be removed in a different way. But for clearing the shortcut tiles that Chrome suggests on a new tab, this is the fastest method, and that's it. You've now learned how to remove Google Chrome shortcuts in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.